Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can register in Tubi using your email. So go ahead and open Tubi TV in your Chrome or Edge browser. Go to tubitv.com and then you can click on register. Now you can go ahead and fill up your details, your first name. After filling in your first name, write down your email and then set a password for yourself. Make sure to use a very strong password. Now enter your birth date and your gender. After that, click on register. And there you go, you have successfully registered using your mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.